Close my eyes and then I count to 10. He's not you, but I will just pretend. He's not kissing me the same way. But when I close my eyes, I see your face.
Alright guys, today we're gonna try the Coca-Cola experience in Disney Springs.
I'm losing myself for a minute, yeah, my head's in the clouds again. But what goes up must come down. When I wake up, it is still the same. Yeah, baby, when I get sober, it all comes back again. We will never be over, and you were the one to blame. I am torn, torn, torn. When I get sober, all comes back again. I close my eyes and then I count to 10. I hate this party, but I'll just pretend. Yeah, I'm laughing when you look my way. But when I go to bed, I see your face. I'm losing myself for a minute, yeah, my head's in the clouds again.
Find your birthstone. You have a birthstone? Oh, okay. If you want the evening wallet, check that out. What is that, Swarovski? Swarovski? Where's the, oh, the handbag. That must be that Coke thing right there. That is $2,395.
Wow.
I feel like I just want to say what everybody's thinking. That's probably going to be one of the best investments you ever make in your life.
Probably.
You're never going to regret spending that much money.
Something we should buy right now.
Yeah, don't even think about it.
Yeah, baby, when I get sober, it all comes back again. We will never be over, and you were the one to blame. I am torn, torn, torn. When I get sober, it all comes back again. Losing myself for a minute, yeah, my head's in the clouds again. Head's in the clouds again. Head's in the clouds again.
Doni Tango Wiza from Tanzania. What's this? Oh, wow. That is like a ginger ale.
That one's not bad, but not necessarily good.
It tastes like ginger. It tastes like ginger beer. Okay, number 2 is Boniqua fruit, apple, and pear.
It's like water.
That tastes like it's gonna be beer, but it doesn't. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. It tastes like it's gonna be beer, but it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Done it?
I like it.
That tastes like it starts out as cream soda and ends as a fruit juice.
Really?
Yeah,
Is it good?
I don't know.
Why are you right on every one?
Doesn't it start?
It does.
It starts as cream soda and ends as a fruit juice. How does that happen?
It's not bad though.
No. Jita Beta from Japan. Well, the Japanese usually have good things. Okay, this tastes like something. Hold on. Pinky or finger up because I'm busy. The them long popsicle sticks you get? Like it tastes like one of those melted orange flavored.
Why couldn't you let me answer first?
Sorry.
Tastes orangey.
But doesn't it taste like the long popsicle sticks maybe?
That's exactly what it tastes like.
Next is Del Valle Jamaica Innata. It's red. Well, what is that? I don't hate it, but I don't know what's happening.
Your face looks like you ate it.
I don't though. It tastes like something. It tastes like a mixture of cologne and gummy bears.
Are you right every time? It really does taste like, it's not that much gummy bears, but definitely cologne.
Yeah, don't it? Now we got number 6, Fanta Colita from Costa Rica. Okay, no.
Gross.
Oh, no, that's the first one that's like, here's the thing. See, I got cousins from Texas, and they love Big Red. And this tastes, to me, Big Red just tastes like a bubblegum flavored drink, and that's exactly what this tastes like, a bubblegum flavor. It tastes like Big Red, and I just hate that flavor. Yeah.
That one just tastes like Robitussin.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes
Cherry
like
Robitussin.
it tastes like the mouthwash of the dentist. Strawberry from Panama. You're gonna like this. I mean, Tiffany got a thing for strawberry sodas. She loves them.
Oh, this one's my favorite.
Yeah. We've had this next one quite a bit. It's called Thumbs Up Cola. But I always thought it tasted like Pepsi with like Marsala in it. So, but I like it. It's one of my favorite drinks. This next one, Richard dumped some stuff out. He fixed it. So it's all good now. I guess you'd say number 1 on the second tray is called Beverly from Italy. And we used to try this back at the Epcot experience, Coca-Cola experience. And it's terrible. It's the worst flavored drink that was ever existed. Its flavor is bitter.
I dare you to down it.
Oh, you're gonna try it first before we do this.
I don't want it.
Try it. Try it. It's so bad. Try it.
Oh, can I have this after?
Yeah, you can wash it down.
Oh. At first it's like Sprite, but then it's like...
It's just bitter. There's no flavor. It's just bitter.
It's medicine.
It's not even medicine. It's just bitter. It's like the worst part of the grapefruit is what it tastes like.
It's the part of the medicine that burns.
Just set that. I don't even want this on this table. In case an accident like that occurs. Barletta Sparberry from Zimbabwe. I don't know. That kind of tastes like the Fanta Colita, but like just not as intense flavor-wise. Does that make sense? Try it.
Very similar.
This next one I'm really kind of interested in. This is Sprite Cucumber from Russia. So I'm a big fan of like the Gatorade cucumber and lime, and I had that Arizona green tea and cucumber was good. So I think that like this might be something I'll really like. Oh, that's delicious.
Is it?
Yeah. Why is that not good?
It is. It kind of, like, the cucumber flavor is really strong.
Yeah. That's really good. Alright, next one is Aqueous Libra from Spain. It tastes like... What does that taste like? It almost tastes like Propel. You remember Propel?
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes
It does taste like Propel.
Yeah,
Or like, maybe even like the waters, like the flavored water.
Yeah, I don't even know if it's soda. Taking a phone call. So we're hanging out.
Yeah.
The next one is Delaware Punch from Honduras. It tastes like another one of the popsicles. The frozen one. Yeah, but it tastes like the grape flavor.
Oh, I hate the grape.
It doesn't have a great flavor. I don't know.
I didn't really taste it. I just smelled it. That's enough for me. I hate grape.
Alright, this is lingonberries from Sweden. Because, you know, a Swede loves some lingonberry. It tastes like some really watered down cranberry juice.
Yeah, I kind of like it though.
Yeah, it's not bad. Next one is another one that I drink a lot, so it's not, I don't even think, I'm really just going to disqualify this one because I drink it a lot.
What is it?
It's Inca Cola. I like Inca Cola. So, realistically, I can't give this one with an open, you know what I mean? I can't, this would win. And the last one is Smart and Sour Plum from China. Yeah. 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 That's
Really bad?
it tastes like you mixed apple juice with barbecue sauce.
Ew. It does.
It tastes exactly like that. Alright guys, that's it for today. I really like that Russian Coke. I'm from the South, that's what we say, everything's Coke. I like the Russian Sprite with a cucumber, that was good. Your favorite was what?
The strawberry, I think it was.
Yeah, it was good. We tried to film an outro right next to it, but they just had music blaring everywhere, and you really couldn't understand us, so we walked over here and we got it. But that's it guys, if you want to see more videos like that, like and subscribe. Be sure, we got more stuff. If you want to check out our villages videos, I'll put a link right here because I'm good at that. See how I said right there? Okay. All right, guys.